Oh my god, dude, we have flamingos in India. Do you know that? Yes, I'm going to flamingos right now. Kanyakumari. Yeah, thank you. Well, you know what? Second time India tour ride by cycle. Okay, 19,000 kilometers completed. Hello. Where are you from?
West Bengal.
West Bengal.
Yes.
I'm John. Parking is there, and we have a view of the Vivekananda. Let's see what a sea view looks like. Oh wow. Wow, look at that. Alright, welcome back to the Wander Travelers. This is day 4. We are currently in Rameshwaram. We are on the way to Kanyakumari. We have another 5 hours 48 minutes to go. We just started, we just checked out from the Rameshwaram Grand. The rooms were pretty nice. It was all good. Though the food was okay. I mean, it's not bad also. It's good. So now time is 5:54. Almost close to 6. So we have another close to 300 kilometers to Kanyakumari. It says it'll take another 6 hours. On the way we'll have a breakfast, and now we are going to the Palmet Bridge. From there only we can exit. From the main road, no, we took this road. Google has showed this map, and look at this. It's pretty nice and beautiful. It's kind of it's an open place. Okay, I'm able to spot a peacock. It's a peak. I'm lucky to see a peacock. These roads are pretty winding and uneven, but it's okay. I mean, but you can't ride fast. Hoping that these roads are good. And let's see. Oh my god, dude, we have flamingos in India. Do you know that? Yes, I'm going to flamingos right now. I am taking the video, but I don't know whether I got it or not. Wow. This area is full of windmills. I think there are hundreds of windmills here. All installed in a very strategical way, you know, in all directions. Kanyakumari. Yeah, thank you. There, after 150 kilometers, we find this amazing highway, and we are taking that road. Now we are cruising on an average like 100, 110. It's pretty good. I like the roads. Still, we can see the windmills everywhere. You can see both sides. They have windmills. Very nice place. Easy to roam around. Weather is also very good. 34, but doesn't feel like 34. It's like very. Right. Time is right now 9:10. Yeah, definitely. We're going to reach Kanyakumari much earlier than we expected. Anyways. So I think that's a Western Ghats. Okay. So we were coming from Eastern Ghats. We're touching Western Ghats. Alright, so we almost reached Tirunelveli, and we have to take a left from here. Second time India tour ride by cycle. Okay, 19,000 kilometers completed. Hello. Where are you from?
West Bengal.
West Bengal.
Yes.
I'm John. Sandeep.
Okay. Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
आप कहाँ से हो?
We are from Bangalore.
Okay.
We are हम वो करते हैं, वो साउथ इंडियन ट्रिप पूरा करते हैं.
वेस्ट बंगाल में कहाँ पे? वेस्ट बंगाल में ईस्ट मेदिनीपुर दीघा फेमस प्लेस दीघा. कहाँ पे? दीघा ईस्ट मेदिनीपुर से.
Oh, okay. Super.
This is my second time. मेरा घर है वहाँ पर सॉल्ट लेक में और काचरापाड़ा। अच्छा काचरापाड़ा, और वो नसीर अख्तर है ना जो कॉमेडियन,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
सुना था काचरापाड़ा।
हाँ हाँ
लेहटी हालीशहर। अच्छा अच्छा सियालदा से सियालदा। अच्छा आप साउथ इंडिया टूर कर रहे हो?
साउथ इंडिया टूर कर रहे हैं।
केरला
केरला भी है।
केरला भी जाओगे?
हाँ
मुन्नार घूमना एक बार।
मुंडा अभी हमारा रास्ते में नहीं है, लेकिन जा रहे हैं, एक दिन जाएगा।
केरल पे पूरा 2 महीना बिताऊंगा।
अच्छा ये भी बहुत सुपर है यार। 27 स्टेट्स कंप्लीटेड
टोटल 1 ईयर
फर्स्ट टाइम।
इस टाइम 27 स्टेट फर्स्ट टाइम, कश्मीर लद्दाख नेपाल भूटान।
ओह
टोटल 19,000 किलोमीटर कंप्लीट।
ये है सुपर।
और इस टाइम वेस्ट बंगाल टू केरला से 4 स्टेट करेंगे।
4 स्टेट। सुपर सुपर। सेफ ड्राइव, सेफ लाइफ, सेफ ट्री, सेफ लाइफ। गुड गुड गुड। अच्छा यही है
रामेश्वरम।
अरे बहुत बड़े यार, नाइस वीडियोस।
अभी तो नहीं स्टार्ट किया है, देखते हैं। मतलब मेरे पास तो गैजेट्स भी पूरा नहीं है, मतलब सिर्फ मोबाइल से सब कुछ करता हूँ। तो अभी के टाइम में मतलब ज़्यादा ये आ गया, क्या कहते हैं, कॉन्टेस्टेंट आ गया।
हाँ
सभी लोग कर रहे हैं, तो कुछ यूनिक करना पड़ेगा।
अच्छा
यूनिक करने के लिए
ये भी आप कर रहे हैं, एक यूनिक है ना।
तो थोड़ा गैजेट्स भी डेवलप करना पड़ेगा। कंपटीशन बहुत है मार्केट में।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
तो देखते हैं, केरल का जाके एमपी से हर एक एमपी से मिलने की कोशिश करूँगा।
हाँ
अगर कुछ हेल्प करते हो तो लोग देख ट्राई करता है। ट्राई
मैं भी प्रमोट करूँगा, मेरा यूट्यूब मैं भी प्रमोट करूँगा।
अच्छा
ठीक है ठीक है, चलो ऑल द बेस्ट।
एक फोटो पिक्चर हो गया।
ओके Yeah, that's a sea. Huh? Parking is there and we have a view of the Vivekananda. We are checking into the hotel. Just once we have the rooms after there's an excursion happening. Fifth floor. Okay, someone is calling. We're entering, only someone called. Okay, what is this? 1 second. Hello? Okay. Right. Let's see what does a sea view looks like. Oh wow. Wow, look at that. You can see the Vivekananda rock from here only. And all the elements is over there. This is the Indian Ocean. Pretty spacious, no? Pretty big. Yeah. Okay. Washroom is a bit small, but it's okay. Manageable with this view, no? Just got up from the hotel, so we're going to the Vivekananda Park. So it's just 10 minutes walk from here. Let's see. So they have a ferry service from here to Vatakote port. That's like 450 for AC and 350 for non-AC. This is 75 rupees for the ticket counter. Good thing we came this time. I didn't see much people here. See, totally empty. 150 for this for 2 people. Very, yeah. Okay, gate is closed. We need to wait for 5 minutes. Okay, unfortunately, we are not able to visit the Ayyan Tiruvallur statue because of construction bridge. It's okay. Okay, we got entry. Okay, so we are going there. We are going there in a boat like that. So basically, we don't have much things to do in Kanyakumari because we just came here riding and we just want to see the Vivekananda rock, and post that we'll be roaming around repairing our bikes. We need to buy a memory card, man. I don't have memory for my GoPro and Insta360, so I'll buy a memory card, and yeah, that's it. So that's about that. We'll take a side seat, man. Yeah. Any side. I mean, if we are taking in one side, no, next time we will sit on the other side. Yeah. Life jackets inside the basket, the big basket. You need to take one of the life jackets. I think anything will fit. Okay, I'll take one of this. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh. That'll be nice. Alright, so we started right. There's another that is yet to come down. They're waiting for us. Almost reaching. Just a 5 minutes ferry service. Gates are open. Alright, time for us to go. Okay. Sam Captain Jasper did a good job. Alright, so this is a Vivekananda Rock Memorial. From there we'll have to take a ticket. That's $30 here. That is for Vivekananda Rock Memorial Darshanam. And that you see over there is the temple. Good, let's go. Yeah, that's the temple. This is the entire. So here they have given the compass. So it says what we are facing is southeast, and that is north. This is south. Basically inside they will not let any photography, so we just came out from that door over there and walk all the way till here. So this white paint that I have done here, if you go, it will be so hot, but this, if you're walking on this white paint, it will be cold. And I don't know if you can see over there on the other side it's actually raining, and we are here on this side. Over there it's raining. Okay, so say hi to the Rulu. He's looking away on the other side, but we'll say hi from out there. Okay, so they spotted something. Well, let's see what it is. Oh my god, so many fishes, man. See that?
But
Rainwater is over. Okay. So many fishes, man. I think, but these are not salt water fish, no? These are all okay.
Fresh water.
Okay. Seems they're eating something. Anyways, they have enough water. Okay, now let's find the exit. So in both of them, photography and video is prohibited, so we're just taking outside how the temple and everything is. And this is a view, man. Wow, such amazing place. Good thing is that they maintained it, no? Very nicely they have maintained it, not? Alright, so we are back. We're going back. Our boat is set. Okay, get it. So if you see over there, it's actually raining on the other side. Behind that mountains, it's raining there, and here is sunny. We are here, going back to the hotel for some food. So we came to this restaurant, and it's raining there. Look at that! Oh my God, it is already raining there. So we are in this lighthouse, and we're going to enter this place. Just want to see how it is. I know it's the same view of the beach, but still, this is amazing, man. Look at this. Oh wow! My God, this is the first time I'm seeing a peacock so close, man. Wow! Hi, peacocky. So see, we have to use a lift to go up. Okay, this 2 floors means it's pretty big, man.
Doesn't look like second floor.
Mm-hmm. Wait. Whoa. Good smell. Alright, so unfortunately the sunset is on the other side, so you can't see. Oh, okay. They have a lot of people here sitting. Same from. Oh yeah. That's a view of the Western Ghats. Oh yeah, we have. Okay. And that's where the sunset is going to happen. Okay, so I get it. So people are sitting here to watch the sunset.
There's no timing, no. We can wait for sunset.
Yeah.
Already 5:20.
You're supposed to show us. Turn. Yeah. Is that a peahen there? That's one beautiful view that we have.